Hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Ulefone Armor X16 Pro rugged smartphone. The Ulefone Armor X16 Pro is a rugged smartphone that defies expectations. Its impressive specs and features make it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable device that can withstand harsh environments. Key features: massive battery life. The phone boasts a colossal 10,360 mAh battery that can last for days or even a week on a single charge, making it perfect for extended trips, remote work, or emergencies. Rugged design. With IP68 and IP69K certifications, MIL/STD 810H testing, and a robust build, this phone can withstand drops, shocks, vibration, and extreme temperatures. Powerful performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, provides efficient performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and handling 5G demands. Advanced camera system. The phone features a 64MP main camera, 25MP night vision camera, and 2MP macro lens, allowing for stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions. Large display. The 6.56-inch 120Hz display provides a smooth and immersive visual experience, perfect for gaming, watching movies, or working. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. The phone's rugged design and long battery life make it perfect for hiking, camping, or exploring the wilderness. Construction workers. The device's durability and resistance to harsh environments make it an excellent choice for job sites. Emergency responders. The phone's reliable communication capabilities and long battery life ensure stay connected in critical situations. Verdict. The Ulefone Armor X16 Pro is an exceptional rugged smartphone that offers an incredible combination of durability, performance, and features. Its massive battery life, advanced camera system, and large display make it an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable device that can keep up with their demanding lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I